Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brennan here, and I'm going to be unboxing 4 things. They're Rainbow Peppa Pigs.
That's so mean.
This starts with the first one. It's going to be red. Okay. Mom, can I have scissors? Can I have scissors, Mom?
Oh, they're like the crispy ones.
So, we're going to be unboxing all of them for all my fans. Because they said on my 7 subscribers special, I'd do some. Thank you, Dad. It's fine. So, starting off with red.
Be careful.
I know. I'll always. There.
It looks so weak.
Okay. Opening it up. Nearly there. Okay. Sorry for squeezing my eyes. So, here we go. I got George. I didn't get him before. I only got the Muddy Petals George. And now I got this guy. I got a little George. I got this. It's George. Let's see what this one was. Okay. Let's see. This was called George 1. This is what I was asking for Christmas. This Peppa house. So, now we're going to the next one. Okay. Ooh, this was actually quick to open. Wow. I got Kitty Cat. I got Kitty Cat. I got her, Dad. I didn't get Kitty Cats ever. Now I got my first kitty cat. Mommy. I got my first candy cat. Look. Here's the ones I've got so far.
You don't have those yet.
I'm really hoping I get Mimi. Or like, her name is Molly. But I said it from Piggy. Well, you guys should play Roblox Piggy. It's cool. Okay. Here we go. Getting yellow. See, Dad, I got Kitty Cat. Kitty K. Here we go. Danny Dog. I got Danny Dog. I got Danny. Here. I got Danny Dog, Mom.
Awesome.
Now the last one. See, Mom? Danny. I'm getting them very good.
Zoe?
Yeah, Zoe Zebra. Now let's see. I hope I get Mimi Mole. Or I keep calling her Mimi from Piggy.
You have Zoe Zebra, do you?
No. I don't have any Zoes. I only have Candy Cat and Danny Dog. Here we go. It's now the finale. I got Richard Rabbit. Let's see.
Richard Rabbit.
Okay. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I got Richard Rabbit. So I've unboxed them all. I think that's it for this video today. I've got George. I've got Kitty Cat, Candy Cat, and I've got Richard Rabbit and Danny Dog. So I think that's it for this video today. See you guys later. Hope you subscribed and hit that like button. Ding the bell. Ding. So, see you guys later. Peace.